प्रथमेश लिंक शेअर करायची आहे ना. Hello students. Today I am taking this lecture for doing revision of cooperative societies chapter. Okay, this is important sum. Let us start the sum. I'll read the sum. From the following trial balance of Akshay Cooperative Consumer Society Limited, Pune, as on 31st March 2018, prepared trading P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and balance sheet as on that day after considering the adjustments given. Okay. Students, just like in either final account sum, what you have to do first, tick mark the adjustment in trial balance. Okay. So you must be having this textbook. So you can do it. Okay. First, I'll go through the adjustment. Outstanding rent payable on 31st March is 1000. So two effects will be add to rent and second will be on the liability side. Okay. Second, charge 5% depreciation on furniture. So less from furniture and P&L debit. Closing stock of consumers goods is valued at cost 1,40,000. This is closing stock. So one effect will come in trading account credit side and second effect on the asset side. Okay, under the heading current assets. Next, interest accrued on investment. So this is our income. So if you already have one interest received on P&L credit, just add this amount to that, and this accrued interest will come on the asset side, second effect. Okay. Next, outstanding salary on 31st March 2018 is 2000. This will be added to salary and will be shown as liability, current liability on the liability side of balance sheet. Continue with that adjustment, and 3000 paid in advance. So this paid in advance means it belongs to next year. So we have to remove it from the salary. So salary has two adjustment. Current year outstanding will be added and advance will be subtracted. And this advance will be recorded on the asset side under current asset side. Okay. Next, authorized capital 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each. This will go on liability side under share capital. Authorized amount will be 20,000 into 10, so 2 lakh rupees. But you have to double underline this 2 lakh rupees because we don't add this amount in total. Okay. Next, contribution or contribute to education fund 100 rupees. So on P&L debit side, we'll write to contribution to education fund 100 rupees. And if we have education fund in our trial balance, it will go to reserves and surpluses, and in that this 100 rupees will be added. Okay. If you don't have that reserve, this 100 rupees will be shown as a current liability. Okay. So it will depend on whether we have that item of education fund in our trial balance or no. Clear? So let us go through the trial balance and start posting the items. We have read all the adjustments, so accordingly we'll keep the item in inner or outer column. Clear? Okay. First item, share capital. We'll go to share capital. Share capital. Just a moment. What I'll do, I'll add one column here. So under subscribed, we'll write 1,60,000. Below that, call scenarios are there, so it will be subtracted from this, less call scenarios 10,000. The outer column will have 1,50,000. Next, reserve fund will be part of your reserves and other funds. Reserve fund. Every year we have to transfer some portion, that is 25% of our net profit, to reserve fund. So I have left that one line for that adjustment. So reserve fund balance is 15,000. Next, common good fund is nothing but a reserve, okay, for the benefit of the society, 5,000. Next, opening stock of consumers good. So opening stock 1,10,000. Then furniture asset, 5% depreciation you have to charge. So I'll write in inner column. I already had this. Wait, just give me a minute. So here I need inner column. Okay. Yeah. So furniture value is 48,000. Then next, education fund 8,000. Education fund 8,000. It will go to reserves and other funds, and that 100 rupees will be added here. If this fund had not been there, then second effect of that 100 will be recorded under current liabilities. Okay. Next, creditors 20,000. Sundry creditors under current liabilities 20,000. Next, debtors 30,000. Debtors we have separate head. Just a moment. Okay, so debtors amount is 30,000. This commission payable will go to liability side. The trial balance item you have to give only one effect. Then next item, commission payable done. Next is salaries 71,000. Two salaries, all right. $71,000. Two adjustments are there on salaries, so we have to leave sufficient lines. To commission 20,000. I'll write salaries in inner column. Next, Rent rates and taxes. To rent rates and taxes. Rent rates taxes. $12,100. What is the amount? Wait. We messed up the amounts, I guess. Furniture 48, education fund was 8,000. After that, sundry creditors 20, I wrote. Debtors 30,000, I wrote. Commission payable 4,000, I wrote. Salary 71. Commission 20,000. Postage, yeah. Rent rates is 12,100. I am correct. 12,100. Do we have adjustment on rent rates? No. Postage 9,000. So to postage. Now again on the outer column, don't have adjustment on this. Next is some amount missing or what? Against land, but I'm missing some amount. Salaries 71. Then commission. Okay, commission is 17,400. Wait, huh? Rent sets is 20,000. Postage 12,100. Land is 9,000. Okay. Interest on investment is your income. So I'll write on this side of P&L by interest on investment. 10,000. I think we have adjustments. I'm writing in the column. Next, equipment 20,000. Outer column, no adjustment. Then purchases 16,40,000. Next, investment 1 lakh. Investment after cash and bank. Students, be careful while making balance sheet. The balance sheet has to be in this format, right? Okay. Investment is rupees 1 lakh. Then sales, go to trading account. 20,60,500. Cash in hand 25,000. If you observe in this balance sheet, the most liquid assets are at the top and least liquid assets are at the bottom. Okay. In normal balance sheet is otherwise. Okay. The other way around. 25,000 cash in hand and cash at bank is 1,70,000. I think we are done with the posting. Just count the items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 22 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Okay, so all the items are posted. So we'll go to adjustment quickly. Outstanding rent payable. So add to rent. Okay, leave one line here. I have to. So add outstanding rent 1,000. In outer column it will be 21,000. Just try to increase the font size so that it is properly visible. Screen size is compact, so we have to keep it very small size, but I think this should help. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Okay, so first adjustment done. Its second effect will go to liabilities, outstanding rent 1,000 rupees. Next adjustment is charge 5% depreciation on furniture, 5%, 48,000 into 0.05, 2,400. So 48,000 minus 2,400. This 2,400 will be posted to P&L account on debit side to PEP on furniture 2,400. Next, closing stock of consumers goods is valued at 1,40,000. This closing stock 1,40,000. And second effect will go to current assets closing stock 1,40,000. When you draw the format of balance sheet, always keep these bold headings which I have kept now. You have to write those items in advance only. Okay. Okay. So when you draw the format, always keep this authorized share capital, reserves and other funds. In case loans are there in your sum, be after reserves or even before reserves, you should take loans, secured loans and unsecured loans. Okay, on credit side or on the asset side, arrange the assets in liquid to non-liquid order. Okay. Data, some students are there in Zoom meeting. Let me tell that is go and join the YouTube link. Okay. So we are done with the third adjustment, closing stock. Okay, next is interest accrued on investment 2,000. So I'll add to income, add interest accrued, amount is 2,000. It will go to asset side, last item, interest accrued on investment 2,000. Two effects. Next, outstanding salary on 31st March is 2,000. So this will be added. So add outstanding salary 2,000. So second effect on the liability side, outstanding salary 2,000. Next, advance salary is 3,000. So first I'll just add this salary to the original figure 73 is there. From this we'll remove less advance. It means next year's salary for maybe for 1 month we have paid in advance. So less advance salary 3,000. It will be subtracted. 73 minus 3, and this advance salary will be under current assets 3,000. Okay. Next is Authorized share capital 20,000 shares of 10 is, that is 2 lakh rupees. So I'll write in outer column 2 lakh rupees. Double underline it. Okay. And it should not be taken in the total. Clear? Okay, next. Contribute to education fund 100 rupees. So it's expense. So I'll write in P&L account to contribution to education fund. Okay. If you have education fund in 100 in liability, just add it to that. If you don't have any reserve fund called education fund, then you put it under current liabilities. But we already have education fund, so just add it to that 100. So outer column is 8,100. Okay. Next is done. All adjustments are done. So we have to now close the accounts. Okay. I hope no depreciation is pending. Huh? Depreciation, only one asset was there, so we did that. Okay. Second defect also we gave depreciation. Okay. Now let us close these accounts. First, I have just put the formula and just put formula for GP now. Total minus 110 minus 1640, 450, 500. Okay. This will be carried forward to P&L account 450, 500. Okay. I have put net profit formula. It's 448, 100. Okay. I'll write this profit in. See, this is new account for you. Plan for disposal of surplus funds or memorandum. Okay. In this, we will show the appropriation of profit. Okay. How we appropriate our profit will be shown in this account. Okay. And this is just a proposed appropriation. So in meeting, that is AGM, shareholders will approve it, and then we post the items. We do the entries for that. Clear? Till then, it is not recorded in your normal final accounts. Okay. So till AGM, it doesn't appear as part of your final accounts. Clear? Okay. Now I'll just add that 448 here. Just give the link to it. Clear? Okay. Now, as I told you, 25% of current year's profit is to be transferred to reserve fund. So I'll write to transfer to reserve fund. 25% of current year's profit. So it will be 448, 100 into 0.25. Okay, so it is 112025. Clear? Okay. Now this net profit will directly go to see the profit which we got here, 336,075. Although normally we transfer to PNL, but it will be done later on. Okay, we'll just write balance CD. This is proposed. Huh? Okay, so these items which are appearing here in plan for disposal will not be posted to normal balance sheet. Okay, it will be shown as a proposed item. Okay, that is a plan, not executed as yet. Clear? Okay, so the profit which is shown by normal P&L account will go to your balance sheet. Okay, how much it is? 448, 100. I'll just carry it forward there. Current year profit 448, 100. but I have just received one message. Yeah, what is it? Ja, wait, I got one message. Inner amount outer column में नहीं लिया है. Okay, interest figure I missed here. I have to take in outer column. Yeah, okay. Anything else I have missed here? No. Yes. Okay. Rest is okay. Just let me check the total once again. Yeah, I got the message. But I'll just check the total. Total 123,000. Wait, I'll just do calculation here. 462, 500 minus 123,000, 339,500. I think in my net profit formula some mistake is there, so I'll make that formula once again. I had copied the format from earlier sum, so let me just redo it. Minus 1,23,000. Okay. Yeah, 339,500. I hope this must be clear. Last number 435. Thank you for bringing this to notice. Okay, so we'll move ahead. Okay, so we have transferred. Wait, let me correct that figure. 339,500. Okay, yeah. Now you have tallied balance sheet. Okay, so students, once this is over, what you do, you join the Zoom meeting after I end this YouTube lecture. Okay, now I'll tell you when to join. Okay, but this was third last sum. Okay, in the sums which I had given to you. Okay, two more sums are there which I need to discuss with you. This was, I think, sixth sum. Seventh and eighth I'll also discuss. But I'll just take those pictures and put it here. Give me a minute. Okay, this is seventh sum, so we'll discuss this sum already. Okay, since I have shown you how to solve the sixth one. Seventh one I'll discuss orally. Pravara Cooperative Society rendering loans and rationing facilities to its members as a trial balance as on 31st March 18 as follows. Okay, now I'll read the trial balance and tell you the posting. Member share capital, liability side share capital, members deposits. See, on the liability side, we have first share capital, then reserves and other funds. Then we have secured loans, unsecured loans, and after that we have one heading, deposits. So under that deposits, this member deposit will come. Okay, what I'll do, I'll share with you on the WhatsApp group the format of balance sheet. I think you all have sheet books. So in that, at the beginning only, they have given the format. Please refer to that format. Okay. Then third item is dead stock. Dead stock is nothing but an old asset which is still lying with the company or with the society rather. Okay, so it's kind of fixed asset. Okay, next, stationary P&L, bank share purchase. So this is investment. So we'll go under investments. Sahakari Sung shares purchase, again it's an investment. Bank loan, simple. They mean to say not any mortgage loan, simple loan means. So we'll go to loans under, just keep a heading loans, don't put it secured and unsecured. Next, interest on members loan, this is your income, so P&L credit. Purchase of rationing grains, so this is a regular purchase. Okay. Sale of rationing grains, so trading account credit side. Purchase was on trading account debit side. Next, office rent, P&L, salaries, P&L, traveling expenses, P&L, freight. Freight, we consider this to be on purchases, so like carriage. So we'll go to trading. Coolie charges, it can be on purchase or sale. We presume it on purchase, so it will be trading. If you write a note that it relates to sales, then you can put in P&L, but I suggest you take it in trading account. Bank current account, the first heading, cash and bank, under that it will appear. Bank interest, we said it is there on debit side, so it's an expense, so P&L account debit. Reserve and other funds, under reserve, second head under share capital. Cash and bank, first head on the asset side. That's it. Next, we have adjustments. Closing stock, trading credit and asset side. Outstanding office rent, add to rent and liability. Provide for audit fees, P&L debit and liability side, outstanding audit fees. Depreciation, see dead stock, they are depreciating, so fixed asset. Less from dead stock and P&L debit. Provide bad debts reserves, so less from debtors and P&L debit. Contribute to education fund. Okay, in this sum, I think we didn't had education fund. Just let me have a glance at it. No, we didn't had education fund, right? So in this sum, one effect will be in P&L debit, and second you put in current liability. You don't have reserve fund for this. You can put in CL. Okay. Last time we had a reserve fund, education fund, so we added to that. That's it. Okay. So see, tomorrow we have less time, so I'm not putting very big sums. I'm putting only small sums. Okay. To do similar sums. Okay. So students, now I'll end the meeting. Okay, YouTube lecture. You can join with the Zoom link you have for your doubts. Okay. I do this on YouTube so that if shared on the WhatsApp group, they can watch this lecture whenever they have time. Okay. So now for your queries, I'm starting the, or rather I already have Zoom meeting on, so you can go and join that link. Okay. Bye. I'm stopping the YouTube live now. Thank you.